Moin und willkommen bei Glift. Ich bin dann Ihre Luxemburgischen Sprachcoach von glift.lu. Hier ist Woche Lektion Nummer 5 von Lehr Luxemburgisch sehr mit Kurzlektionen. Hi and welcome to Glift. I'm Anne, your Luxembourgish language coach from glift.lu. Here is the lesson number 5 of my course, Learn Luxembourgish Fast with Short Lessons. Today, you will learn 5 easy ways to just start a conversation. This is part 1. Now, if I asked you to tell me your biggest fear about having a conversation in Luxembourgish, what would it be? If you are like most Luxembourgish learners, you'd probably say something like getting started. So, let's get started. So, los. So first we will see how to start a conversation at work with colleagues you know. Small talk at work is essential. Show your colleagues that you are friendly by asking about them. You can start maybe with the classic question, wat möchtest du de weekend? Wat möchtest du de weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Or you can also ask, hoe is du de weekend etwas vier? Hoe is du de weekend etwas vier? This means, what are you doing this weekend? Or do you have something planned this weekend? The verb here is etwas vierhun. Etwas vierhun, it's to plan something. Here are some other examples how to start a conversation at work. Because you can also start with zomul. Zomul means tell me. So you can start with zomul and ask about something you talked about a few days ago or something you want to know. Example. Zomul. Du hast jo am Dezember Congé. Hast du schon etwas vier? Zomul. Du hast jo am Dezember Congé. Hast du schon etwas vier? Tell me. You are on leave in December, isn't it? Do you have already something planned? So here you see that we have yo in a sentence. When you have yo in a sentence, yo is there to reinforce what you say. In English you would say, isn't it? Another example, zomol. Weißt du, wenn ihr die nächste Reunion ist? Zomol. Weißt du, wenn ihr die nächste Reunion ist? Tell me, do you know when the next meeting is? So now let's see how to start a conversation with a new colleague at work you don't know. For example, there is a colleague starting today and you don't know him. So don't be shy, go and introduce yourself by saying, Moin, ich sind dann, schön ihr kennenzulernen. Ich arbeite hier als Kontabel. An dir? So you just start with Moin and then you say your name and then you say schön ihr kennenzulernen. Schön ihr kennenzulernen means nice to meet you. And here we say ihr is the polite form of you. And then you add your job title, you say ich arbeite hier als Kontabel and you finish with the question an dir, so to engage the conversation. Now we will see how to talk about traffic in town or on the motorway. So traffic an der Stadt oder op der Autobahn. When you arrive late in the morning at work or at an appointment, you could start with de Morgen war ein Accident op der Autobahn. Dafür sind ich zu spät op de Büro kom. Könnt ihr dat auch heians dafür? I repeat, de Morgen war ein Accident op der Autobahn. Dafür sind ich zu spät op de Büro kom. Könnt ihr dat auch heians dafür? This means there was again an accident on the motorway this morning. Therefore I arrived late at the office. Does this happen to you as well? So, könnt ihr dat auch heians dafür? Does this happen to you as well? Könnt dir means here does this arrive or happen. Könnt is the verb kommen, an dir means to you. Does this happen to you? Another example. Der Bus hat nis Verspätung haut. Dat könnt regelmäßig vier. Wie kommt dir dann an Staat? I repeat. Der Bus hat nis Verspätung haut. Dat könnt regelmäßig vier. Wie kommt ihr dann an Start? This means the bus was again late today. That happens regularly. How do you come to Luxembourg City? And here I used the polite form, wie kommt dir dann an Start? Just to give another example, so dir here is the polite form of you. And now let's see how to talk about the weather in Luxembourgish. So the weather is always an interesting topic to talk about. Everybody likes talking about it. That's the easiest way to start a conversation. So you could say, wat is dat so schön haut? Ich mengen, ich ginn de Mitte spazieren. Und du? Wat möchtest du mit dem schönen Wetter? I repeat. Wat is dat so schön haut? Ich mengen, ich ginn de Mitte spazieren. Und du? Wat möchtest du mit dem schönen Wetter? This means, it's lovely today. I think I'll go for a walk this afternoon. What about you? What are you doing with this nice weather? Another example. Haut as et awer kaal. Ech hun d'Meteo net geguckt. Weest du wéit wieder muget? I repeat. Haut as et awer kaal. Ech hun d'Meteo net geguckt. Weest du wéit wieder muget? Which means, it's really cold today. I didn't look the weather forecast. Do you know how the weather will be this week? So watch out here how the question is. Weest du wéit wieder muget? So get means will be, to express in the future. And now we will see how to start a conversation when visiting someone's house. So imagine some Luxembourgish friends invited you to their house for a barbecue. When you visit someone for the first time, it's common to talk about the house. So you can start a conversation by simply asking, Zenta weni wohnst du hai? Zenta weni wohnst du hai? Since when have you been living here? Or you can say, Deng Wohnung gefällt mir. Wohnst du schon lang hai? Deng Wohnung gefällt mir. Wohnst du schon lang hai? Which means, I like your flat. How long have you been living here? So gefällt mir literally means pleases to me. The verb is gefallen, to please. Here in English you would say I like. I like your flat. Den Wohnung gefällt mir. Good. And that was it for today's lesson. If you liked this lesson, you may consider taking my online course, Luxembourgish am Alldach. In this online course, I focus on conversation skills. I want to help you communicate with native Luxembourgish speakers. That means learning the communication strategies you need to have engaging, interesting conversations. If you want to understand conversations better, learn the expressions native Luxembourgish speakers use, and speak more fluently, then this course is for you. This course has more advanced conversations that are full of common informal expressions used by native Luxembourgish speakers. It teaches you the phrases in context so that you will be able to remember and use them and become more fluent as a result. So click on the link below this lesson's description, Luxembourgish am Alldach, and get a free sample lesson today to get started. So talk to you in the next lesson next week, where you will as well see 5 ways to start a conversation.